Don't you see what I am? See what I'm doing? This is my life, don't you see what I've ruined? Drown my gifts, drop my faith, forgot my dream. I've lost my way and there's nobody to blame, nobody to call to. I was doing fine, why the fuck did I involve you? Ready as I am, I would never get the chance to show you what I dreamt, cause you never understand. I'm a cowboy by night, writer by the day. If I could find a saloon, I could find my way. Earn my living with my outlaw winnings. I could spend it all with me, but I just can't stay. Now everything's gone, everything's lost. Promises to God, I paid my cost. Never would've thought that she'd ever let us go, but she missing in my heart, I can feel it in my soul.
Show me love. It's got your hand on a button down. Showing off. It's got your hand on a button down.
What's wrong? Wrong, cold said I've been wrong about everything you owe me. And if I had another chance to try it all again, then you know you'd be looking at the old me. So if there's anything left, anything at all, let me write that song that'll put you in my arms. I can see you a star. Please don't shoot, please at the least let me speak my truth. Too little, too late, she whispered in the wind. Wish you never left, this shouldn't be the end. She always on my mind when I'm thinking in my zone, when there's nothing left to drink and I'm sitting here alone. The cards are on the table, the odds are looking grim. Indebted to regret, there's no profit in the win. I told her what she meant, just hope she remembers that. I sent her with a prayer, but she never wrote a letter back.